Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay y'all, so this is a preview of what is going to be coming in the next DIY. I am pretty much illustrating the tools that you will need for this here DIY. We're going to be making pretty much a wrap cowrie shell bracelet. And the items that you're going to be using for this DIY are scissors. You're going to need your choice of your desired fabric, whatever fabric you choose to use. You're going to need 2 bangles, a ruler. You're also going to need some cowrie shells. You're going to need some cowrie shells. You're going to need some Gorilla Glue or E6000s, whatever one you have. You're also going to need your glue gun with plenty of glue sticks and a needle and thread. So be on the lookout for this DIY, which will be coming soon. Thank you for watching.